this time dependent and time independent wave equations, we try to go on to understand the physical significance of psi. Okay. In that, I clearly said that psi represents a quantum mechanical particle or a system, and every time it is given by a plane wave equation. Because it is complex, it cannot really give you any physical quantity in itself. That means psi itself cannot give you anything physical. Then Bohr proposed that psi star will become real when psi is complex. Psi star. What is psi star? Complex conjugate of psi. So psi star gives you real, and this real value will give you the probability of finding the particle at a point at an instant. Psi star will give you the probability of finding the particle at a point at an instant. Now Max Born extended this Bohr's proposition, considering that if psi represents a group of particles, if psi represents a group of particle or system of particles, then psi star gives you the probability density. Psi star gives you the probability density. Okay, when psi star equals 1, that implies particle exists, and if psi star equals 0, that means the particle does not exist. The same thing we try to apply it for a small generalized aspect, that is if psi represents if psi represents Afrin today, okay, from Hayatnagar to Patancheru, psi star dx, what is the value of Afrin? Okay, I think she's trying to say, but it is not okay. I mean, I'm not getting, because okay, some change in the status is being shown over here. Sorry. Okay. Now, so integrals. Okay. Let me say again. If we take Jahnavi, she is also present in Chaturya. Okay. If I take the case of Chaturya, are you in Hyderabad?
No, sir. Now I'm not in Hyderabad, but I reside in Hyderabad, but now I'm not there.
You are not there. So tell me what is the answer today? Okay. Integration Hyderabad to Patancheru psi star dx is equal to
0, sir.
right. Okay, because Chaturya is not there today. Okay, okay. Do I have anybody from the class between Bhopal and Delhi today? Okay, so because nobody is there between Bhopal and Delhi today, okay. So integral psi star d psi star dx is equal to 0 for, let me say, Jahnavi or Chaturya. Okay. Now, if psi represents Swami Vivekananda, integral minus infinity to infinity psi star dx is equal to 0, because right now physically the Mr. Vivekananda or Swami Vivekananda is not there. Okay. And now this is what is my important aspect today. Okay, I'm starting with this one today. Okay, if psi represents the CST class, when I say that psi is representing CST class, that implies I am talking about group of particles. Okay, so minus infinity to infinity integral, okay, psi star dx gives you what? Yeah, man. What do you get? Integral psi star dx minus infinity to infinity. Yesterday, you people gave two answers. I said both of them are right.
1 or 60.
1 or 60.
60.
1, sir.
60.
Okay. Now, both the answers are right. Okay. You call it equivalent to 1 if you say that psi is normalized wave function. Psi is normalized wave function. And if it is not normalized, then integration minus infinity to infinity psi star dx will give you 60. Sir, how do I normalize? Nothing. Okay. You got anyway, psi star dx is equal to 60. Now, take root of 60 and multiply it, okay, divide it to psi and psi star both. Okay. That implies you'll be dividing the left hand side with 1 by 60 and right hand side also with 1 by 60. Then psi is normalized. Psi is normalized if you are multiplying psi with 1 by root 60. Okay. So that integral psi star gives you 1. Or else, if it is not normalized, then it will give you the total number of students who are present over there. Am I clear? Amma?
Yes, yes. So I have a doubt.
Shoot, ma.
So Jahnavi sir, so yesterday when you in the previous slide you said
Ama,
integral psi star dx is the probability, no sir.
right, yeah.
So the value also must be the probability, no sir. Why, like,
Huh, right.
we cannot take if it is 59 members, we need to say the value is 59 by 60. We cannot say 59, no sir.
True.
So then we cannot say the number, no sir.
Yeah.
We need to only say the probability. So I
Yes.
think the number may not be the answer correct.
I accept. Okay. That's what I said. Okay. Now, yeah, that's what I said. Okay. Okay. When it is, okay. That is where the normalization of a function comes in. Okay. Even in your mathematics, you'll come across that, but there you may not see the physical meaning of it. Okay. Now, when the function is not normalized, you will get a value which is more than 1. Okay. When the function is normalized, okay, you will get a value between 0 and 1 only. Okay. And okay, that is why, okay, Max Born suggested that if psi represents a group of particles, then, okay, it will be giving you the probability density. When you say probability density, then you say that number per unit volume. Okay, so it is not 1, it is number per unit volume. Okay, whatever you said is 100% true, ma. Okay, I'm not saying that you're wrong, but only thing is we have two ways of expressing the same function. One is normalized wave function, whose probability will be between 0 and 1. When the function is not normalized, then it may have a value between 0 and, okay, more than 1 also. Okay, that's the point that is to be understood over here. Did I make any sense of my explanation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Right. So we have the next question. Okay. Next question was framed for the same. Okay, for the same purpose. నువ్వు ఇందాక చెప్పావు కదా అదే పర్పస్ గురించి ఫ్రేమ్ చేశాను. Okay. So if 5 people are out of these limits, అంటే okay, they are not between Hayatnagar and Patancheru, then integration of psi star dx gives you what?
0.
No. Psi represents the whole CST. I did not change the representation of psi. Psi represents the whole CST class. Okay, but 5 people are not there within the range. Then what is the, okay, integral? Yeah,
55.
55 by 60.
beautiful. Right. Right. Okay, if psi is normalized, what will be the answer?
55 by 60.
55 by 60.
55 by 16.
Good.
55 by
Yeah,
60.
ma'am. Thank you. That's it. Okay. Now I think you all understood what do you mean by normalized wave function and not, okay, wave function which is not normalized. Okay, normalized wave function, we are trying to see that the probability of the wave function rise between 0 and 1 only. Okay, when it is not normalized, okay, its value may be more than 1. Okay, right. After that,